Westphalia trailer is an unbraked trailer designed for transporting goods and cargo. It is a versatile and reliable trailer that offers convenience and ease of use for various applications to facilitate loading and unloading. The trailer is equipped with features such as a rear door or ramp. This allows for easy access to the cargo area, making it convenient to load and unload items of various sizes and weights. Building a tire road is a practical and cost-effective solution for creating a durable and accessible pathway. A tire road is constructed using recycled or used tires that are laid out in a specific pattern to form a stable surface. To further enhance the durability and stability of the tire road, additional layers of gravel or crushed stone may be added on top of the tires. This helps to secure the tires in place and provides a smoother surface for vehicles or pedestrians. In the world of construction, speed and efficiency are paramount. In this video, we will shine a spotlight on the fastest construction workers who possess exceptional skills and work at an incredible pace. These individuals have honed their craft through years of experience and have mastered the art of executing construction tasks swiftly without compromising quality and safety. Speed is of the essence in the construction industry, and there are workers who excel at completing projects in record time. In this video, we will introduce you to the fastest construction workers who possess incredible agility and precision. The chain strainer works by gripping the wire with a chain, which is then tensioned by either turning a handle or using a lever mechanism. This process pulls the wire tight and helps to remove any sagging or slack in the fence line. This ensures a taut and secure fence that is resistant to animal pressure, weather conditions, and other external forces. In the dry stack method, the stones or bricks are carefully selected and positioned to fit tightly together, forming a solid wall or structure. The absence of mortar means that the individual units rely on their own weight and friction to remain in place. This creates a visually appealing and natural look, as the individual stones or bricks are more prominently showcased. Iwood Denmark offers a diverse selection of wooden products, each designed to meet specific needs and preferences. Their furniture collection includes items such as tables, chairs, beds, and cabinets, crafted with precision and elegance. They also provide wooden flooring options that add warmth and natural beauty to any space. The block system is designed to provide superior thermal insulation, structural integrity, and ease of construction. The interlocking blocks or panels are typically lightweight and easy to handle, allowing for quick and efficient assembly on site. The blocks or panels are stacked and connected to form the walls of the building, creating a continuous insulation layer. The construction process is typically faster compared to traditional building methods, as the ICF blocks eliminate the need for additional insulation and formwork. The Ready-Rock system utilizes precast concrete blocks that are designed to fit together seamlessly, creating a strong and visually appealing wall. These blocks are available in various sizes and configurations, allowing for flexibility in design and construction. The blocks are manufactured with high-quality materials and engineered to meet rigorous standards for durability and performance. The Biddy concrete pipe machine utilizes advanced technology and engineering to produce high-quality concrete pipes efficiently. It is capable of manufacturing pipes in various sizes and specifications, meeting the specific requirements of different applications. The machine operates by combining concrete materials, such as aggregates, cement, and water, and then shaping them into pipes using molds or forms. The Biddy concrete pipe machine ensures precise control over the pipe dimensions, wall thickness, and overall quality, resulting in durable and reliable products.
Construction has begun on this massive dam on the Yangtze River in Hubei Province, China. This is no ordinary construction site. It's a huge engineering challenge. It has the capacity to generate a total of 22,500 megawatts of electricity. Easy to say, it can provide electricity for 60 million people. 200,000 workers worked on the construction. Yes, you heard that right. 200,000. The materials and technology used in this massive project are truly astonishing. A total of 27 million cubic meters of concrete and 463,000 tons of steel were used. That's enough to build 63 Eiffel Towers. This massive dam construction, which began on the Blue Nile River in Ethiopia, holds the title of being the largest hydroelectric project in Africa. The dam, which will have a capacity of producing 6,450 megawatts of electricity, will provide electricity to approximately 65 million people. During the construction process, 2 million cubic meters of concrete and 250,000 tons of steel were used. Yes, you heard right, 250,000 tons. This amount is enough to build 6 Eiffel Towers. Launched in 2017 on the Jinsha River in China, the Baihetan Dam is the world's second largest hydroelectric dam. This massive structure has the capacity to generate 16,000 megawatts of electricity. That's enough power to meet the energy needs of 10 million homes. The height of the Baihetan Dam is exactly 289 meters. This structure, the world's largest double curvature arch dam, is not only remarkable for its enormous size, but also for its high efficiency and environmentally friendly energy production. The construction process of a Taipa Dam is considered one of the engineering marvels of the century. This huge dam has a capacity of generating 14,000 megawatts of electricity. This means that it can power more than 10 million homes. The materials and technologies used during the construction process are truly astonishing. 40,000 workers worked day and night. 12.3 million cubic meters of concrete were used. Xiluodu Dam is a huge hydroelectric dam built on the Yangtze River. With a height of 278 meters, it is known as one of the highest dams in the world. Xiluodu Dam has the capacity to generate 13.86 gigawatts of electricity. This is enough power to meet the electricity needs of approximately 14 million homes. At the same time, this dam reduces millions of tons of carbon emissions, making a great contribution to the environment. The Gilgel-Gibe 3 Dam is not only an engineering marvel, but also contributes greatly to the country's economic development by meeting a large portion of Ethiopia's energy needs. Thanks to this dam, thousands of villages and towns have gained electricity, factories have been revived, and living standards have increased. And of course, we should not forget the environmental impact of the dam. The sustainable solutions and innovative projects developed to protect wildlife during the construction process are also quite remarkable. Imagine an engineering marvel rising from the foothills of a giant mountain, almost touching the sky with its height of 335 meters. Yes, I'm talking about the Rogun Dam. This incredible structure is located in the deep valleys of Tajikistan and creates a huge energy source by holding back the icy waters of the Pamir Mountains. Rogun is not just a dam. It is also a revolution that changed the destiny of the region. The technology used in the construction of the Rogun Dam is like something out of a science fiction movie. Completed in 1978, this gigantic dam made history as Russia's largest hydroelectric power plant with a power generation capacity of 6,400 megawatts. Built in the cold and harsh climate conditions of Siberia, this dam is a revolution in the world of engineering. Sayano-Shushenskaya Dam is not only dazzling with its size, but also with its technology. The technology used in the construction of this huge structure includes the most advanced engineering methods to control the power of water. The strength of the dam is based on a strong structure made of giant concrete blocks, each weighing tons. During the construction process, underwater robots and high-tech cranes worked with great care at every stage. This magnificent dam meets a significant portion of Turkey's energy needs with its 670 megawatt energy production capacity. The dam not only produces energy, but also undertakes vital functions such as flood control and irrigation. The technology used in the construction of the Dariner Dam is like something out of a science fiction movie. The body of the dam is based on a solid structure consisting of giant concrete blocks, each weighing tons. During the construction process, underwater robots and high-tech cranes worked meticulously at every stage. This engineering marvel is a symbol of strength that defies the harsh natural conditions of the Black Sea. Rising on the Euphrates River in the heart of southeastern Anatolia, the Ataturk Dam holds the title of being Turkey's largest dam with its height of 169 meters and length of 1,820 meters. This gigantic structure dazzles not only with its size, but also with its advanced technology. So, what makes this dam so special? Let's discover it together. The construction of the Ataturk Dam began in 1983 and was completed in 1992. This magnificent dam meets a large portion of Turkey's energy needs with its energy production capacity of 2,400 megawatts. Gardiner Dam. Built by Canada and completed in 1967, this massive structure is exactly 5,428 meters long and 64 meters high. Yes, you heard right. This dam is one of the longest earth-filled dams in the world. This incredible feat of engineering creates Lake Diefenbaker and provides a huge contribution to the region for water, energy, and agriculture. So what kind of technologies were used in the construction of this dam? Thousands of workers worked with millions of tons of soil and rock during the construction of the Gardiner Dam. Each material was carefully selected and placed so that this massive structure can withstand the power of nature. Specially designed water discharge systems increase the durability of the dam and keep the water level under control.